We are about to hear from Rogue Community College's ExoHand, a team designing an exoskeletal aid for industrial workers. They hope to provide an invaluable tool for those suffering from injury, weakness, or disability. This innovation could be the bridge for many who want to continue work with manual or textile elements, but lack the grip strength needed. Please welcome ExoHands.
Hello everyone, my name is Cesar Navarrete and I am a Rogue Community College student majoring in mechanical engineering, and I am ExoHand team. A couple years back, my daughter came up to me and asked if I could open a Gatorade bottle. Of course I would. As I proceeded to try and open the Gatorade, I found myself struggling to grip the lid. In the background, I can hear my wife commenting, what are you going to do when you get older? At that precise moment, without thinking, I said, I'll just build something to help me. Our hands is one of our greatest assets. They are the most valuable tool you have, whether you're at work, at home, or at play. We also use them to express our emotions like affection towards our significant other, or simply to express confirmation or acceptance. Since starting this competition, I sat myself down to think on how I can build my idea. What I came up with is an exoskeleton hand you can wear to help with the loss of hand strength. I decided to use pneumatic actuators to help with the movement and strength. Here you can see my prototype. It's a very early stage. You can also see how I've been progressing from little pieces that were going to be used for individual joints to a solid piece for the finger. My prototype is also connected to a pneumatic valve that is connected to a 12-volt battery and an air compressor. Some of my future goals are to move the actuators to the forearm, add more joints to the finger movement, make every finger independently move, more appealing to the viewer, and of course more comfortable to the wearer, and move away from being connected to an air compressor. As it stands right now, to build it, it costs $60.13, and that's without the air compressor. With the air compressor, it's at $182.69. My sale price would be $150 without the air compressor. With the air compressor, it would be $275. My profit margin would be $89.87. Then that's without the air compressor. With the air compressor, it would be $92.31. My gross margin without air compressor would be 60%, and with the air compressor, it would be 34%. The global exoskeleton market is projected to grow $4.2 billion by 2027 at a compound annual growth rate of 26.3%. Some of the key factors playing in this industry is the growing adoption of exoskeletons in healthcare, as well in non-healthcare settings like industrial, commercial, and military. Also developments in robotics, introduction of innovative mobile exoskeletons by manufacturing for the aged and disabled population, increase in geriatric population, increase in prevalence of stroke. I would start off with a direct approach for manufacturing to end consumer. I would make the product, majority of it is 3D printed, so I would do that and then sell to the end consumer. Eventually, once I build up enough sales, I would go to an indirect approach and select tech type of retailers to partner up with. Thank you all for your time. And again, my name is Cesar Navarrete, and I am ExoHand team.
Thank you, Cesar. Inspiration can certainly come from anywhere, and it is the sign of a true innovator. We have a question from our judges. As you have worked through the prototyping and testing process, what are some changes that you want to make next that would make your system more accessible and flexible to other users?
There's a lot of things I want to change on it, but majority is get it more compact. The people I have talked to told me they want something that can just slide on. It's not going to obstruct their movement. It's not going to get in the way if they're trying to grab something. And just something that looks appealing.
Well, we look forward to it. Thank you very
Thank
much for joining us.
thank you for having me here.